understand, because I come from my social media, come talk about it, but you don't know to get the money and still come bring me down. After you get the money same way, dog, how wicked people can be, bro. I not say I'm perfect, you know. I'm not perfect, you know, but I not do none of them nothing, you know, bro. I not do nothing for no do me that, you know. I not do nothing for no do me that, bro. You see me? I do my fair share of trouble when me a little boy, bro. But from a ton big man, me not even ask you for cent. If I'm hungry, me stay hungry. Me never call for none of you yet. I ask for help. Never. If I'm hungry, bro, me stay hungry, dog. You see me? Now come on social media, come tell nobody say me your brother. Me is not your brother. And my mother alone me care about. You see me? Because you don't mean me not good. Especially my sister. You don't mean me not good at all. And my mother alone me obligated to. And me job that. As a man. Me know say principles to make sure say my mother good. Anything my mother call for me and ask. If me have it, she'll get it. But no. Me a liar. One thing in a mommy. You see God. Remember you teach me that. You see God. Oh God, man. You know the boy will cry wolf. Remember me tell you, God not sleep, you know. God see everything. You hear? You know the boy will cry wolf. God not sleep. God see everything. Me no want to know come complain a hypocrite with me in a comment section because of uno over other page and I bring me down say me a scammer and me a manipulator. Uno come over here so come tear me. Uno go on, man. Because I only see one in a comment that come talk about me a manipulator. I don't have a clue what go on. If me never come out now, come show no receipt and that, you know, that still feel like say a lie, me I tell her, me I try manipulate people. But guess what? Yes, if all I know we attack, me never come beg nobody no money for put towards that. People even offer to buy me ticket for go over there go look for her and me tell them no. Me not take $1 from nobody to put towards my mother because me say, yes, my mother, me know how them people are stay. Next thing I hear say this, that, me no want nobody I say then give me no money for give me mother. So you know what me do, bro? Me go in on my account and take me own money out of my pocket and send go gear. Wanna show me the screen recording when me figure it out, come live and tell the people themselves to give me money for pay my mother's surgery. Me never do that. Me come ask the people them to pray for me, bro. I ask you a prayer. Me never ask nobody to give me no money towards nothing. Me ask them to come pray for me. And me I get bring down faith. Me ask them to come pray for me mother. You see me? Bro, told me feel weak and frustrated. Me no know what to do, dog. Me click my live and me say, guys, me a beg you know. Just a small prayer for me old lady. Forget her back on her foot. That's all me a beg you know, a small prayer. Nobody me not inbox, nobody wanna wait and ask them for $1. A Barbados me there right now. With my first, with my second mom. And me say me there go look for she next week. And me nah bother go nowhere, you know. Me nah bother go nowhere. Cause apparently you don't like me. Me nah bother go nowhere. Me just so I know you getting money and you go alright. Me nah bother go nowhere. Me just so I know you getting money. All the thing me can do, I pray for you. And ask my supporters them for pray for you. But me nah go nowhere. Me I go back to my yard. Straight to Jamaica me I go back. Me nah go nowhere. Supposed to be my family, bro. And they on social media rings me in the dirt. And it's supposed to be, bro. When I see screen recording them with my own mother come on social media and say, I ball in a bro. I could even come on my life, come crying and me have to just ball it off and build a big head spliff and smoke it, you know. Before me even come right and say, you know. My own mother tell people. Cause sister on a favorite. So anything my sister do, run along. Me say, girl, let's see if you wasn't my sister. Oh God, man. I true me grow with principles. Make me not come this your blood clot like how me say in a comment section of this me. My own a sister. I rub me under the dirt. My own a sister. My own a sister. I rub me like I made it tell you if you fuck up your life. Eh? I made it tell you say no come out to nothing good in your life. You all want to look down upon me and think the worst of me. and me defy the odds and break the chain and break the curse on the put upon me and make something out of nothing. Me even tell my mother to them, me even tell mommy to them, I say, mommy, listen to me now, man. Me not really business about nothing else. Me just want to know say your health alright. And for know say you dip on the phone and talk to me now, man. Knowing say you're going to somebody's life. Knowing say you go in somebody's life. You're not even draw me one away and say, my son, you know me do this and me should do that. Me have to, people have to send me screen recording because you're there same way. I talk to me normal and I move like say everything good. People have to send me screen recording with you. If me never see it more that thing say everything good same way and I may hear that to that still attack. Because you know what you do. And you not say nothing to me. Me did a and everything, you understand what I say? Everything good, man. Me learning, enough. Enough. Remember, me tell you that. Me, enough, bro. Me enough. You hear? Me enough. Enough. Remember, me tell you that. But, mommy, I hope my sister take care of you and do what she supposed to do. You see, since I share your favorite, and me a liar, and me a the worst, and me this and that, make she take over. Yeah, man. Are your favorite, and me a the worst. Me a liar, me this and me that and me rare. Make Rona do it. Make she take over. Me, done. That me I tell you. Me, done. Let my sister do it. I love you. Nothing can change that, but me done. Anything I want, make my sister do it. I love you, my mother. I'm not come for my social media, come bring it up. But you should have never dear son that. You should have never dear son that. I love you, mother. Never come violate your mommy. You're crazy. Or you raise me and bring me come here. But you should have never done me that. You should have never done me that as my mother. When the whole world against me, you supposed to have my back same way. You supposed to the one where me can run to and talk to and cry to and vent to, and you're against me with the rest of the world. I know nobody else. You see me? I'm in a business when I know, and that's why I put Akeem first, because I'm not doing that. And that's why I put my brother first, because him not do me that, bro. Him not do me that, dog. You see why my loyalty there with that man right there, so I'm in a business where none of you want to say. Because him not do me that, bro. He not do me that, dog. You're my mother, and look what you do me. And your sister social media, be not pressure me, bro. Your sister me can barely manage social media sometime, and you contribute with me haters them and bring me down. Bro, are the worst betrayal me ever get in my life. Right now, no cut me on say no blood. Are the worst betrayal that me ever get in my life, youth. You know it feel to be the one when nobody not like. And you work so hard for them approve you. And even when you reach a point in a life, them still quick to betray you. You know how hard more work to get my mother approval, bro. Because my mother never to rate me. I'm going to say it again. Me work hard to get that woman the approval from. And I still can bring me down. Everything good, man. I grow you now, you know. I grow you now. I'm going to hear people that tell me, say, yo, your mother in a box. And your mother, I say, when I stop tell lie about my mother sick. When my mother forget time in a box, I tell people about me a liar than thing. Mommy supposed to be in the hospital. And bro, when I see screen recording with the youth I play, my heart hurt me in a dog. My heart hurt me in a bro. My heart hurt me in a dog. Oh God, man. Oh God, bro. I see my own mother because I know her voice, you know. I'm my mother. I know my mother's voice. You see what I say? Bro, I don't care what my sister wants to say. I care less about her. But when I hear my own mother on voice note, my heart hurt me out. My heart hurt me, dog. man say, not even she, friend call me, 4,000 TT dollar for do the surgery. You see me? I don't understand what the fuck is TT. Me don't know what that. Me don't know what TT dollar. You see it? I research. I look on Google. And see say yo rare TT I want different rare TT. I see it there. Me go up on Google, calculate it, and I the exact me say. And through the feed it up a pure tight. That's class. I myself me I zoom up. See that? 3,800 and add TT dollar. Trinidad and Tobago. And I come live and say me never send a dollar yet. I never send a dollar yet. I lie me and tell her I never do nothing for you. Fine, no problem. Heart of love. Fine, no problem. Heart of love. And oh no, we not even know nothing. Go in a box. Who figure it out and scam people 5? Where did I tell Uno sir 5,000 US? Eh? When me did tell you that? What the screen card in there? But you see Uno? Oh God man. Oh God man. Me say me glad me is a boy we have receipt, you know. Me glad me is a boy we have receipt. Suppose me never have that. You that ear say me a liar. Suppose me never have that. You that ear say me a liar. Here man I say me come live and me a scam people. I ask money for do my mother surgery. Bro, no wicked over here in a dog. No wicked over here in my youth. You know some set of evil people and for know say my family them will understand and know how the thing go. Make the people them drown out and come social media and this me too. One thing me know you know, not gonna want help again. Not gonna want help. Yeah? Everything good man. Me feel used and me feel betrayed. But watch you know, me not complain. Me not complain you know. Me not complain bro. Cause guess what go on here? See when I dip on the way for greatness, them things are gonna go on bro. Me expect the unexpected. Nowadays to life I work bro. Me expect anything from everybody. You see me? You have to expect the unexpected. All we expect for dead fear now go dead. A certain thing set bro. You have to cry. If you cry, you cry. If you vent, you vent. If you wipe your tears, you wipe your tears, bro. A certain thing set, my dad. You see it? Because if you're there on your way for greatness, you know, and everybody love you, you know, you do something wrong, you know. The bad days like this are going to happen. Down times like this are going to happen. But, bro, if you know your own mother charge you, everything good, mommy. As me say, my mother, heart of love. And you will bring me come here.